the distance between D and F is given. This is nothing but D. This line is D. If you want, you can scale it like this. Don't make it so bigger. This itself is big. Okay, let it be. So this line is D, and DF distance is given as 40 mm. So I am going to make a point from here to 40 mm. So before going for that point, to make that point as visible, we have to go for a command called as PD mode. PD mode. PD mode. Just give 3. PD mode 3 and PD size. It will be in 0. So you can give it as 3. Now give point. Specify a new point. You can select this one. Okay, now a point is being created here in the junction. Now I am going to copy this point which I have created, and I am going to move it for that given focus distance, DF distance. Copy selection. Then here you can type 40. I got the point at 40 mm. Right. So this point is nothing but F. I am copying that existing D and I am changing it as F here. Okay, I got DF. After this, what I have to do? So the length of this one is 40 mm. Okay. After this, I have to divide. Actually, the eccentricity ratio is given as 3/4. Eccentricity. E is equal to 3/4. So it means that eccentricity is equal to the ratio of VF by VD. We know that. VF divided by VD. Okay. So from F we have to take 3 units so that we will get the point V. That means this DF should be divided into 3 plus 4, 7 parts. So 3 parts I have to keep it from here, and 4 parts automatically it will be available. The remaining 4 parts will be available from D. So at that point, at that location, I have to mark D. So if DF distance is given, we have to add that numerator and denominator to form and make that number of divisions. So here 3 by 4 is given, so I am adding 3 plus 4. I am going to make this one into 7 equal divisions. So how can I make this one into 7 equal divisions easily? In AutoCAD, you can use divide command. I will show you in both AutoCAD as well as in paper how to draw. In AutoCAD, use divide command. Divide. Select objects to divide. Actually here we have to draw a line, then only we will be able to divide. Draw a line. Now go for divide. How many segments we want to divide? 3 plus 4, 7. Okay. So now we got 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So this is the method. When we are using AutoCAD, we have to follow this. When we are using our normal, when we are drawing this one in paper, how to draw, how to divide this into 7 equal parts. That is an important task. We cannot put 40 by 7. If we put 40 by 7, we will get the answer in decimal parts, decimal points, which cannot be marked using our normal scale. So we have to go for angular line method. From here, draw an angular line lesser than 45 mm. For an angle of lesser than 45 mm, it may be of any angle. Okay. I am drawing a line for some angle. Okay. Now I am taking a constant length. I am drawing a line for some length. It may be 4.21 mm or some, whatever you like. You can take it for 1 centimeter also. Draw a line or take 1 centimeter in the compass and then cut 7 arcs. So I am copying this. First arc, second arc, third arc. So like that, if you cut 7 arcs, you will get 7 divisions in this line. So for instance, instead of doing that, what I do is, I will take a 7 centimeter line. I want 7 arcs now. So that will be better. I will take an angular line for 7 centimeter. I want 7 divisions. So I will take an angular line for any angle for 70 centimeter or 7 centimeter. In multiples of 7 we can take. Okay, 70 centimeter. Then what I do is, I will divide. That is, I am using that compass. I am taking 10 mm and I am cutting 7 arcs. That is what I mean here. Divide this one into 7 parts. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal divisions now. Now join the last division with F. Join the last division with F. Now draw parallel line to this line from all these points. Use scale and set square method, or you can use drafter, mini drafter. From all these points, we have to draw parallel line to that line. This is what we have to do when we are drawing in paper. Okay. So now these are the 7 points, 7 equal divisions. In the main line, 40 mm line, we can see that 40 mm line is divided into 7 equal divisions. We can trim whatever the lines we don't want. Okay. Now coming back to the problem, our first task is over. So eccentricity is equal to Vf by Vd, that is 3 by 4. So V is 3 units and Vf is 3 units and Vd is 4 units.